Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Again, thank you very much and welcome to my YouTube channel, English Practice with Selim Reza. Dear viewers, today is Friday, public holiday in Bangladesh. So, I think most of the people in Bangladesh are busy in their day-to-day activities, and especially the Muslims already attended Jummah prayer. Dear audiences, one thing I would like to share with you that you know that in the previous 2 or 3 years previous time, the weather of Bangladesh was very fine, temperate weather, not very hot, not very cold. But dear viewers, one thing is very noticeable that nowadays the weather of Bangladesh is getting hotter day by day. For example, for few days it is very hot weather in Bangladesh. Today is very hot weather, unbearable condition, terrible heat. So I think it is very unexpected and unbearable for people of all ages. Especially it is very tough for the children and old people. So I think we, especially the people of Bangladesh, should think about this weather because for this rough weather, our day-to-day activities are hampered. We cannot move easily for the terrible heat of the sun. And also another thing is very visible that the temperature of the sunlight is also increasing. And I think every matter does not happen for nothing. It has some causes. So I think for the increment of temperature in the weather, there is a very dangerous cause, that is global warming. And you know that Bangladesh is very hardly heated by global warming. It is causing great havoc in our country. So dear viewers, you know that at present we are making video about Bangladesh, as Bangladesh is a country of natural beauty. It possessed a beautiful weather in the past time, but now it is in dangerous situation. So I thought about the video topic that it should be about weather. And you are looking at my face that I am sweating. I came from my mosque after attending Jummah prayer. But for this very hot weather, load shedding is happening now and then, and you know that the supply of electricity in Bangladesh is not enough to continue the activities. So I hope that you all should be careful. Inshallah, will be careful about the weather, very bad weather, and we should be more careful about the energy uses. We should think about the use of solar energy so that the problem of electricity or load shedding cannot make any other problem in our day-to-day life. So, dear viewers, I think that you all are safe and sound, and you are keeping your family members safe. And dear viewers, I again hope that we will come with different topics every day, inshallah. But our target is to learn English, practice English, and I think it will be very good for all of us. And I hope you will cooperate me by subscribing my channel and assist me by making constructive comments. Thank you very much.